Claude Code, the most powerful agentic system available now in Telegram. Here is the official documentation, and I'm going to take you through step by step how you can set this up so I can ask Claude to start working right from my Telegram account. You do not need to sit in your computer to work. This is adapting the same strategy as OpenClaw. Start working with your agents when you're away from your desk. You also have Discord integration and Slack integration, which I will take you through that later. But now we are going to focus on Telegram. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to install Claude Code if you haven't done that before. You can easily install Claude Code just with this one command. So just copying it. So now you need to open your terminal from your computer. Once after you open it, this is how it looks like. I'm going to paste the command and then click enter. Now this is going to install Claude Code. Installed successfully. As a prerequisite, you need bun to get installed. So here is the curl command to install bun. So just copy the code and paste it in your terminal and then click enter. Now you can see it's automatically getting installed and the bun installation is completed. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have saved your code, or I want to give a folder for this Claude Code to work. So for my purpose, I'm typing cd and here's my folder path. This is where I have saved all my code. So I want Claude to review this folder when I am away from my desk using Telegram. So I'm going to change the directory to this folder and then clicking enter. Now I need to type Claude and then click enter. For the first time, it will ask you to log in. I have already logged in, so it didn't ask me. And as you've seen here, I'm already in that folder. So here you can see the first step, create a bot with BotFather. So in Telegram, there is a profile called BotFather. So open this in Telegram. So I am in BotFather now. Just type /new bot to create a new bot and follow the instruction. I have given my bot a name and also here is the token. So just copying it. This is within my Telegram account. So as you can see here, I've already got the token. Store the token somewhere safe. Step number 2, install the plugin. So here's the command for that. So just copying the command. I'll provide all the information in the description below, so you can just follow through. So coming back to Claude terminal and pasting the command which I've just copied and then clicking enter. And that will automatically install the plugin. Step number 2 completed. Now step number 3, give the server the token. So this is the token which you have just saved. So I'm going to copy this command, paste it here together with the token which I have originally saved and paste that here and then click enter. So that will automatically configure Telegram. Now it's asking me if I want to save the Telegram token and give permission to always allow access. So I'm going to choose yes, always allow access. Next, step number 4, we need to exit and relaunch with channel flag. So what I'm going to do is copy this Claude with channels. So going back to my terminal, /exit. Now we have come out of Claude and then going to restart Claude with this extra tag. This is important because that restarts the whole Claude with Telegram. And now I'm going to click enter. Now you can see listening for channel messages using that plugin which you've just added. Step number 5, I need to send a message from my Telegram bot. So here is my bot. I'm going to send a message, hi. Then it will automatically send you this Telegram access pair code, which you just need to copy the code which you received in Telegram and then paste in Claude. Just paste the code here and then click enter. That will automatically pair your Telegram with Claude Code. And the final step, step number 6, just this allow list so that strangers don't get pairing code replies. So copying the command and then paste that in Claude terminal. Now it's making the required changes and that is done. All the steps completed. Now in Telegram, I'm going to ask, tell me about this project. Now if I go back to the Claude, you can see my message got received. Tell me about this project. And it's reading the README file and it's asking my approval if I allow Telegram to read my folder. So I'm going to allow even in the future. And now it got the reply now. If in case anything doesn't work, it would be preferred to exit and reopen it again using the same Claude channels command. And that will automatically start working. Reply to Mervin on Telegram. And here is the response as you can see here. Praise AI is a low-code, production-ready, multi-agent AI framework. it can connect to Telegram, Discord, or WhatsApp like OpenClaw. That is really nice. Now, even when you are out of your desk, you are able to ask Claude Code to perform tasks through Telegram. As simple as that. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Claude Code, I also create another video about similar setup where you can configure OpenClaw with your Telegram account. I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.